how to get it on.
The dream is now becoming a reality. Ali is going to meet George Foreman to regain his crown as the heavyweight champion of the world. What I want to do is add a festival that will complement the greatest sporting event in the history of the world. Some of the most dynamic performers from Afro-America will be part for Africa.
When I say quit it, quit it!
They're talking about postponing the fight.
The festival must go on. The stage is being built. It's impossible for us to delay, not one day, it's impossible for us to delay a minute.
They're gonna get the greatest musical performance there ever was.
We got the plane, we've got the Holiday Inn, we've got limousines.
This is our homeland. This is our civilization.
It seemed like we're going back home.
After such a long time.
Family gathering, welcoming back home.
I love it. I see some beautiful ladies, too.
I've never felt so free in my life. We from America where we're not really free.
No, we've been free all our life. We want to see our people free.
The daringness of it is what brought it all together.
You're gonna have so much fun. You're probably gonna throw your passports back on the airplane.
I got to answer my parents. I got to dance.
What are you gonna bring back? You're gonna bring back any souvenirs? What I wanna bring back is the feeling.
Come on now, you know where that's at.
What you want?